What is scalping? The fast-paced trading strategy explained. Want to make profits in minutes, not months? Today we're breaking down scalping, the high-speed trading strategy that's equal parts thrilling and risky. Hey everyone, welcome back to my cryptos. Today we're diving into scalping, one of the most intense trading strategies out there. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, this video will give you the lowdown. What is scalping? Plus fast-paced clips of charts, buy-sell orders. Scalping is a trading style where you buy and sell assets like stocks, Forex, or crypto within seconds or minutes. The goal? Capture tiny price movements over and over again. Think of it as the quick strike of trading. Scalpers might make 10, 50, or even 100 plus trades a day, stacking up small gains into, hopefully, big profits. Here's the catch. Scalping isn't for the faint-hearted. It's like being a day trader on steroids. You're glued to the screen, hunting for micro opportunities. And because profits per trade are small, you need volume. One bad move, it could wipe out hours of work. Let's break it down. 1. Time frame. Scalpers use 1 minute or even tick charts. Every second counts. 2. Tools. Real-time data, lightning-fast execution, and indicators like moving averages or RSI. 3. Psychology. No emotional attachments. You're in and out before the market blinks. Why do people scalp? Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Profit in sideways markets. No big trends needed. No overnight risk. You close all trades by day's end. Endless opportunities in volatile assets. Cons. High stress and screen fatigue. Fees add up fast. Commission kills small gains. Requires ninja-like focus and a reliable internet connection. Ready to try scalping? Here's how to start. 1. Choose liquid markets, e.g. EU or USD, Bitcoin, SPY. 2. Master 1 to 2 indicators. Keep it simple. 3. Practice on a demo account for at least a month. 4. Risk management. Never risk more than 1% per trade. To recap, scalping is about speed, precision, and grinding out small wins. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it can work if you've got the discipline. If you're new, start slow. No one becomes a scalping pro overnight. Like this video, drop a comment below with your favorite trading strategy. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out. Trading involves risk. This is educational content, not financial advice.